Every car has them. Those strange black dots around the edges of the windows, especially near the windshield. Most people never pay attention to them. But once someone points them out, it becomes impossible to ignore them. And then the question appears instantly. Why are they there? At first, they seem completely pointless. Maybe they're decorative. Maybe they hide glue or imperfections in the glass. But the truth is much more interesting than that, because those tiny black dots are actually part of a carefully engineered system designed to protect your windshield from cracking. To understand why they exist, you first have to understand how car windows are made. Modern windshields are attached to the car using a very strong adhesive. Around the edges of the glass, there's usually a thick black border called a frit. That black area helps protect the adhesive from sunlight, especially ultraviolet rays, which can slowly weaken it over time. But this creates another problem. The black border heats up much faster than the clear glass beside it, because dark colors absorb more heat from sunlight. And when different parts of glass heat up at different speeds, stress begins to build. That stress can become dangerous, and that's where the black dots come in. Those dots create a gradual transition between the dark border and the transparent glass. Instead of heat changing suddenly in one sharp line, the dotted pattern helps spread the temperature change more evenly across the surface. And surprisingly, they also help during manufacturing. When windshields are shaped in high-temperature ovens, the dotted pattern helps distribute heat more smoothly, making the bending process more controlled and consistent. What's funny is that most people assume they're just part of the design. But almost every strange detail on a car exists for a reason, especially details that manufacturers continue using for decades. And once you understand what those dots actually do, you start noticing them everywhere. On side windows, rear windows, different car brands, different shapes and patterns. It's one of those things that hides in plain sight for years. A tiny detail millions of people look through every day. Without ever realizing, it's quietly protecting the glass from damage. And after this, you'll probably never look at car windows the same way again. If you enjoyed this video and like discovering the hidden reasons behind everyday things, make sure to subscribe to Unseen Reason. There's always more than meets the eye, and we're just getting started.